This is the tastiest pork belly I've ever eaten. Start by frying a 500-gram piece of pork belly with some toothpicks stuck in it, just like mine. To do this, put 1 liter of hot vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium to low heat, and fry until the skin is golden brown. This is the right point. Now, remove it from the hot oil. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towels and let it cool. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, add 50 milliliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pickled mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and mix everything very well to combine. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right mix. Once you've done that and the meat has cooled, remove all the toothpicks and brush the seasoning mixture we prepared all over the meat. Wrap it in aluminum foil. Transfer to a baking tray. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and roast for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. After this time has passed, remove the aluminum foil. Brush the meat with the rest of the sauce we prepared. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Take it back to the oven and roast for another 15 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.